Listen, I'm not against a little bit of hard work. I can generally put IKEA stuff together pretty easily, but this LÖNSET slatted base for the beds is just not worth the effort. It's not worth the work. These slats all come separate, individual. You have to feed them through these tight little straps and get them in the perfect order. And that takes a good while, believe it or not, because the straps are flimsy. IKEA could have done that. They could have had all these slats packed already in the webbing or whatever these straps are, ready to go. But that's just mind-numbingly boring and just not worth doing. But then, on top of it, the killer is this tiny little Allen key that they give you. And it is small. Like I can barely see it on the carpet. So these screws are wood screws. There's little holes on these on the cross slats, and you are in there just look. That's a lot of pounds, and I can't. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then you have a whole nother one of these to build. So that's 24 of these that you've got to play around with just the smallest Allen key. I mean, they could have made it longer to make it easier to torque. You know, there's 3 fingers. Me pushing down on 3 fingers, and it's not turning. I mean, you can really wrench at it, but now you're getting carpal tunnel issues or finger issues. It's just not worth it. Or if you do buy this, plan on not being able to build it until you get yourself a hex bit that will fit into a drill, because it's not worth doing it even with a good Allen key. I do have a better Allen key somewhere in the house that would probably fit this, but I don't have one for the drill or the driver, and this just isn't worth doing. I'll sleep on the floor tonight, and I'll go to Harbor Freight tomorrow and see if I can pick up a bit for the drill for it. Just crazy amount of work that you have to do, that they could have done some of this and made it better.